Hey, this is Jean back with part two. We're just unloading the bees and putting them in the hive. You know, our garage we turned into an indoor education and music center called the Hive.
And today it is a hive.
We're just going to put them right in here until later this afternoon. We'll have everything organized and we will install them. And you can see while we closed the farm today, we are just flooded. You can see there in the distance over by the hoop house. I mean, there's just no safe place to park. So maybe we'll have honeybee day again when we install some nukes in a few weeks, because we'll be getting them soon. And we're just going to keep our bees in here quiet. This is our indoor center. We got the stage over there in the drum circle. We've got the herbal center. Got all the drums in our bell program. This is where we do programs in here. And but anyway, it's a great place to let the bees just stay out of the sun. When you bring your bees home, you just want to put them in a cool place, but not cold, not too warm. Keep them out of the sun until you can put them in their new home. And they ought to be happy here while we get everything ready. Anyway, we'll be back soon. We got to get the hives all ready, get the areas prepared, and we'll see you later today.